In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set the correct aspect ratio for Instagram Reels in CapCut Desktop. If you want your reel to display properly on Instagram, getting the aspect ratio right is one of the most important first steps. Instagram Reels use a vertical format, so in CapCut Desktop, you'll want to make sure your project is set to the proper frame size before moving too far into editing. Start by opening the CapCut Desktop app on your computer. Once the program is open, create a new project if you're starting from scratch, or open an existing project if you already have one in progress. Either option works, as long as you're inside the project you want to edit. Next, add your media to the timeline. This could be a video clip, multiple clips, or other visual elements you plan to use in your reel. After you place the media into the timeline, give CapCut a moment to fully load the project. This is important because some controls may not respond immediately if the project is still loading in the background. Once everything is ready, look below the preview window and locate the ratio button. This is the control that lets you change the shape and dimensions of your project canvas. Click on Ratio, and then wait for the Aspect Ratio menu to open. When the menu appears, take a moment to review the available aspect ratio options. CapCut usually provides several common formats for different platforms, so it's helpful to choose carefully based on where your video will be published. For Instagram Reels, the correct option is 9:16, which is the standard vertical layout used on mobile screens. Locate the 9:16 option and click it. After that, wait a moment for the canvas to update. You should see the preview window change into a tall vertical frame. This visual update confirms that CapCut has applied the new aspect ratio to your project. Now review the preview window closely. Depending on the size and shape of your original footage, parts of the video may shift, zoom, or appear cropped when placed into a vertical frame. If needed, adjust the media position so the most important part of your video stays centered and visible. This is especially useful if your original clip was filmed in a wider format. Finally, confirm that the video fits properly inside the vertical frame and make sure the project is now using the Instagram Reels aspect ratio. Once that looks correct, you're ready to continue editing with the right format already in place, which can save time and help your final video look much better when uploaded.